Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit the AI generated layout in your Lovable project. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Lovable website if you have not already. Right here, lovable.dev, this is the official website URL. Once you go ahead and open it up, this is what you're going to be greeted by. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Lovable account using GitHub or Google, whichever you prefer. And once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. From here, we can get started using the prompt right here to use Lovable to create whatever we need. So after you have created your website and you have gotten the AI generated layout that you want to edit, is going to appear right here in your recent and in your projects right here. As you can see, I have created this website right here, the slice of heaven for my pizzeria, and this is what it looks like. So from here, I can get started with editing the visual edits. So here, as you can see, the bottom of the screen, we have the prompt to add new items that we want to use, and we have the visual edits. Once you click on visual edits, it's going to enable you to select what you want to edit, and then you're going to go and be able to ask it to change whatever you want. So let's say that you want to change this layout right here of the home page. You're going to select the home page, and then you're going to ask Lovable, use your credits to go ahead and edit whatever you prefer. As you can see, you can select an element to edit it, and then you can go ahead and get started. Once you're satisfied, just click close, finish it, publish it, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.